Hi guys, and welcome to the future. You are tuned in to Saraswati Radio. I'm Sky with the news for the upcoming new moon in Aries. It's also the Thai New Year's festival and always good fun to celebrate here. Sun and Venus are in gate 42 already. The message of it is, life is too short to not enjoy it. Letting go of attachments and expectations. For people with 42 active in their design, it's going to be more intense, and we want to remember, energy comes, energy goes. Feeling is healing. The moon travels tomorrow in gate 51. It's literally opening the doors for the coming year. In the shadow frequency, it feels like agitation. We can be restless, even though there is nothing to do, yet quickly distracted if we are doing something. How comes? Basically, it's about life and death. Only one who has fully embraced the certainty of death is truly alive. Without the perspective of death, life loses its true values. Through this wisdom, we become calm, and it's easy to find the power to follow our own creative flow. Then you will step through the 51st portal of initiative. When you are truly being yourself, you unlock the magical forces of genius that belongs to you and no one other. To overcome the outdated sense of unworthiness and step beyond competition is to embrace the magic of higher dimensions. Those who take the initiative naturally engage the forces of good fortune and synchronicity. In this sense, the 51st activation will reward you when you trust in your own heart. The original name of this hexagram is the arousing force of the thunder. The experience of good fortune comes like a storm with lightning and thunder, preparing us for the next level, the awakening. The awakening is the permanent dissolving of the separate self. Are you up for a riddle? What if there is no one to be? Once you awake, you cannot go back to sleep. The thunder within this activation is the thunder of life itself. It's the thunder of you giving. The awakened one becomes like the sun that knows only how to give of itself. In these high levels of consciousness, there is no friction preventing life from flowing through you and with you. Especially in this time where Uranus in Taurus is changing our relationship with money and food. I wish all of you to be persistent in following your heart, even if it's difficult at times. We want to be open to adapt to the changes and courageous to present your own creations. Remember, it's the area of authenticity. There is no such thing like failure. Be playful. I thank you for your existence. It's my pleasure to be at your service. It's my honor to be in the service of the divine. All of you, I wish you the most happy and successful year. Enjoy your manifestations and be blissful.